Located throughout school and practical to all trainees, conventional complexes are the most popular dormitory at Eckerd College. Each complex has a neighborhood lounge, outside yard, vending devices, and a laundry facility. With a resident consultant in each house, traditional houses have several bathrooms on each flooring and a study area upstairs. Featuring single rooms are slightly smaller sized at 171 square feet, and corner double spaces are a little bigger at 219 square feet. There are several rooms in the Kappa and Zeta complexes that measure 196 square featuring, and 153 square feet too. The closets in all rooms have to do with 36 width by 25 depth by 72 height. Relax in our contemporary spaces featuring 2 luxurious queen-sized beds, hardwood floor covering, granite restrooms, flat-screen television, a fully equipped minibar, and quiet garden views. What to anticipate in the conventional rooms building is 1 of 14. What to anticipate in the conventional spaces structures 2 of 14 traditional spaces, Potomac Hall, 2-person room 3 of 14 conventional spaces, Potomac Hall, 2-person space 4 of 14 traditional spaces, Potomac Hall, a joined restroom 5 of, including 1 queen-size bed or 2 double beds, contemporary artwork and lighting, granite countertops, desk or activity table, fridge and microwave in all rooms. We welcome pets in our studio king suite and double king loft suites only. Serrata's traditional guest rooms are anything but regular. Each of these outstanding beachfront lodgings comes geared up with either a couple of queen beds stacked high with plush bedding, a helpful composing desk, comfy side chair, mini refrigerator, and other comforts. Stay connected with Wi-Fi, gain access to, and amused with smart TVs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.